I first started working at InSinkErator 15 years ago. I was 19 years old and I started out on the factory floor and I worked my way through a lot of different departments, and then from there I completed school and I went into the safety department, and then after the safety department I went into my new current role as manufacturing trainer. I love my job. There are definitely opportunities to grow and advance within the company here. Tuition reimbursement is a good way to develop yourself and get the skills that you need to move ahead in the company. And also there's plenty of people that are willing to work with you and help you to understand and learn what you need to do to get there. I've grown in a way that has allowed me to move up through the ranks in the company. And I've grown personally by going to school and bettering myself, and I've just grown as a person. You know, we all grow up, right?